how to take photo using voice control. So let's get started. First, open your phone's camera app. Next, tap on the settings option, usually shown as a gear icon in the top corner. Then go to shooting methods and look for an option like voice control, voice commands, or shoot with voice. The name may vary depending on your phone. Turn this option on. Once it's enabled, go back to the camera screen. Now you can take photos using your voice. Just say commands like capture, smile, cheese, or shoot. Your phone will automatically take the picture. Make sure your microphone is not blocked and you're in a place where your voice can be clearly heard. Bonus tip: some phones also support voice control through Google Assistant. You can say, "Hey Google, take a photo," and it will open the camera and capture the image. And that's it. Now you know how to take photos using voice control on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.